What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We've got 5 days, 5 hours, 39 minutes and 48 seconds. But in the shop today we've got the Jack Skeleton, Meowscles. Meowscles is here. But you can see what's here. These bird skins. Now I really want these. It's a shame that I don't have them. I really want them. Look, it's a bird. It's a bird. With the Zadie Bandala. Two very cool skins. Oh, I just realised they brought back Lace. This is a good skin. Bryony. Ugh. 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 Hang on, she ain't even got no nose. Starfish. Very, very cool. Oh, icon skins. And yeah, that's it. That's it for the item shop. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you all in tomorrow's item shop.